Huh? What? Huh? What just happened? Why do I have blades on my arms? Why is my head a chainsaw? And why am I more taller and have different clothes on? Oh no. This means that I'm Chainsaw Man! Ah! Whoa! Oh, my head. Time to watch some TV. My head still hurts, dude. Oh. Morning, dads. Hmm? Oh, good morning, son. How's your day going? My hat. Wait a minute, you're not my son. Who are you? Whoa, Dad, calm down. It's me. Get away from me. Calm down. That's just me. It's just. Ah! Oh my God. Was that a tiger in my house? I need to get out of my house. I'm gonna be late for school. Hey, kid. Huh? Are you talking to me, sir? Yes, your figure is pretty interesting. Want a jelly donut? No, I can't, thanks to my hands in this situation. Makes sense. Wait a minute, you look familiar. Yes, I do. But I'm not the actual person, you know that. I'm just a guy who turned into them, so... yeah. So, you're a boy who turned into Chainsaw Man. Is that right? Yeah. Actually, and I've been stressing really well, so how am I supposed to stop this? Okay, all you need to do is take some deep breaths, okay? Stay with me. Boop. Oh, hey, I'm better now. Yep. And if that thing happens to you, just take some deep breaths, okay? Now go to school, kid. You're gonna be late. Oh yeah, that's right.